Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
So let's draw a slanting line. Yeah. Okay. And then let's draw a semicircle. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to extend this curve like this, and then we are going to extend this curve like this. Yes. Then we are going to extend this line till here. Then we are going to add this tail. Yes. Now we are going to draw the feathers. For that, from here, draw a line. Okay. And then draw a curve. This touching this point. Okay. Yes. And then now let's draw the beak. Yes. Now let's draw the eyes. Yes. Now let's add details to the feather. Yes. Now adding details to the body. Now add a small curve here. Okay. And then draw a line, a slanting line. And then draw two lines like this. This is the bird's leg. Okay. And then add a slanting line here to add some flesh to the legs. And then finally here draw another line. So this one is for the tail feathers, and that's it. Let's erase it and then darken it. Okay. Yes. So starting from here,
That's it, guys. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your artworks with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number and I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus. I will share my Facebook group's invite link. In that group, I'm discussing the tips and tricks on how to draw and also answering your questions. If you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And finally, if you want to check my artworks, search for Entice Art Studio in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.